Accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, certified by WeatherRate. Sponsored by AC Designs.
Well, take a look at this. A waterspout spotted right off the coast of Volcano Beach around 11 this morning. So a huge shout out to this viewer who sent us this video of the waterspout. Meteorologist Lee Southwick joining us now. So Lee, the storms along the beaches and the storms that caused this waterspout, they have nothing to do with Imelda, correct?
You're right. So all of the rain that we've seen offshore, that's associated with the front that you actually just heard Paul Goodloe talk about too. That front stalled off our coast, bringing some rain, and it's not uncommon to have water spouts out off the coast over the water with these storms out there. So that was from today. Our rain today impacts from the front. Now, we do have rain moving on shore still this evening. Places like Fernandina Beach and down heading towards northern Jacksonville seeing that rain, a bit more heading towards the coast. Places like southern St. Johns County and then across Flagler County, a good bit of rain, heavy rain moving on shore there. But you can see big picture, this is all associated with the front, and then it wraps into Imelda, which is down here in the Bahamas. Imelda is a tropical storm that happened at 2 o'clock this afternoon. It has sustained winds of 40 miles an hour. It's moving to the north at 9 miles an hour. So it will continue to cross over the Bahamas. It is forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane on Tuesday and stay at Category 1 strength as it approaches Bermuda. So for now, it is a tropical storm, and we do have those tropical storm warnings in effect for the Bahamas. And off the coast of Florida, Central and South Florida, new as of the 5 o'clock advisory, no tropical storm watch off our coast anymore because there's higher confidence in that storm turning to the east. Now, that doesn't mean we won't have any impacts from Imelda. We actually have weather impact alerts in effect Monday and Tuesday. Imelda will bring us strong coastal gusts, occasionally some heavy rainfall and dangerous seas. So we do want you to continue to check back in with us and on the forecast both Monday and Tuesday. Now let's break down each of those impacts. When it comes to our winds, it's breezy all across the First Coast, but gusts will be stronger the closer to the beaches you go. Along our coastal areas, we could occasionally have gusts to 30, maybe even max 40 miles an hour again Monday and Tuesday. Also, as Imelda moves to the north and then turns to the east, occasionally those outer bands are wrapping on shore. So it is possible that we could have some heavy rain here at times. Notice it's not raining all day. Notice it's not raining on everyone. It's often on heavy rain, the heavier rainfall risk and the flooding threat closer to the coast as well, but still scattered showers for us on Monday and Tuesday with occasionally some heavier rainfall that we will have to watch out for localized flooding threats. But widespread picture shows us that most of us will see rainfall totals under an inch for Monday and Tuesday. We could just have those locally higher amounts depending on if and where those rain bands move on shore. When it comes to our waters, we will have rip currents. On Monday, our surf will be 5 to 6 feet. That goes up to around 10 feet on Tuesday. And we could also have flooding at times of high tide, minor flooding. We're talking high tides of 1 to 2 feet higher. So on Monday, our high tide generally between 2 and 4 o'clock. We also have Umberto out there. Umberto is a major Category 4 hurricane, sustained winds of 145 miles an hour. But I like its path because it's moving in between Bermuda and the United States, avoiding land and then heading out to sea, and with it dragging Imelda with it behind it. So Umberto, a major hurricane, but no impacts to us here from Umberto. We are going to see those impacts from Imelda, especially at our beaches. Coastal wind gusts, strong wind gusts, breezy for the rest of us. Occasionally some off and on heavy rainfall, rip currents and dangerous seas. That brings us our weather impact alert Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures stay in the 80s. Will be a bit drier Wednesday and Thursday.